after receiving the XRD data file from the technician, so if you want to analyze this XRD data of your sample, so you may be using one of the free version software or any software, data processing software, XRD data processing software like PowDLL. Okay, but these softwares may not open the original data files because the technician is using a specified program to generate the XRD data. So that will be in a particular file format. So these file formats may not be supported by the XRD data processing software which you have in your laptop. So in this case you have to convert the original obtained XRD data file from one file format to another file format. For example, say if the file format is nothing but RAW, so you have to convert this RAW file format into UDF or UXD or RD or simple Excel sheet. So in this case I will refer a PowDLL software package. So this will convert by using this software package. You can convert any XRD data file which is in any format into another format as per your requirement. So in the description section I am going to provide the corresponding link where you can find this PowDLL XRD data file converter. There you can download and install in your PC. So by using this free version package, you can convert XRD data file into any simple. So at first go to Chrome browser. There type this PowDLL converter. So here I am selecting the second one, PowDLL powder XRD data converter. So there you can find two files, converter files, in which I am going to select the latest version, so 3.18. So click on download. So it will be downloaded in a zip file. So if once a download is completed, so extract the zip file. So here I am extracting. So this is the corresponding set of file. Just click on it. The converter file will be installed. Just follow all the options. So if once the file is installed into your PC, you will find a desktop icon on desktop screen, home screen. So this is the corresponding file converter, XRD data file converter icon. So just click on it. So it will show you the interface like this. So here I am selecting convert multiple files. So here I am going to select my source file. So my source file is at music, the folder music of C drive. So it is showing RAW file, but my data file is in DAT dot file. So just select a dot file. Click on that dot file. Open. So at below you can see there is a bar in which it is displaying the file format of output XRD file. Suppose if I want to convert this dot file into a raw file, then select raw only. So click on S. So automatically it is going to show you the converted raw file, RAW file of XRD data. So you can see. So this is nothing but RAW. So I have converted the XRD data file DAT format to RAW file format. So in this way you can convert XRD data into RAW. So here I am going to convert the data file DAT data XRD data file which is in dot format into UDF. So here you can see the output file is converted into UDF file format. Similarly, you can convert the your XRD original dot file into UXD file format. So select UXD file format in the output section. So this is nothing but UXD file format of input XRD data. So here I am going to select a simple Excel sheet only. So output will be in simple Excel sheet, 2 column. So that is MDI file format. So now I am going to select just only Excel sheet. So the corresponding XRD data file which is in dot file format, that will be converted into Excel sheet. So this is nothing but Excel sheet. I am going to open this one where you can find 2 columns. The first column shows you the 2 theta position, and the corresponding second column is nothing but the intensity of reflected X-rays. So here I am going to open these files, one of these files, by using PowDLL software. There you can see the graphical representation of this XRD data. So here I am selecting raw file, so which is converted from dot file to raw file by using this PowDLL converter. So I am selecting the converted raw file. So you can see the file which has been converted into raw RAW, so that has been successfully opened. Similarly, I am going to open another file format, so UXD or UDF. So you can see now select another file format. So in this way you can convert any XRD data file into another file format as your requirement.